This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your Nano Banana account and grabbing the API key. Keep it private. Once done, pick the image model and set aspect ratio and base resolution, for example 16, 9 and 1024 x 576. Next, write a concise prompt that states the subject, desired style and color palette, and add one negative phrase to avoid unwanted elements. Make sure to test a short prompt first. This reveals baseline output quickly and tells you which parameters need adjustment. You now tune the middle parameters. Increase sampling steps to 2100 for detail and set guidance scale around 7. 5 to balance creativity versus prompt fidelity. Once set, use a seed to reproduce results and set batch size to 4.8 to generate variants fast. If an existing image needs work, switch to image and lower strength to retain composition. Make sure to add negative prompts for recurring artifacts and iterate. Small changes to one parameter reveal how it affects the whole image. You finish by selecting the best variant, then upscale or denoise as needed and export in PNG or TIFF while embedding license metadata. Once exported, inspect composition and color balance. If something is off, make one targeted edit to the prompt or parameters and rerun a small batch. If outputs are noisy or oversharpened, lower guidance scale or reduce steps. This often cures instability. Finally, save your prompt, seed, and settings so you can reproduce or tweak the result later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.